Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'll show you a method to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A26. So the first thing you're going to need is a laptop or a PC or even a MacBook that you can connect to your phone. And so we're going to connect the cable to the phone and the laptop or PC, whatever you have. And then the next thing we're going to do is turn our phone off by just holding the power button and then clicking off on power off, and just wait for our phone to turn off fully. So now that the phone is off, the next thing we can do is hold the power button and the volume up buttons at the same time until we enter recovery mode. So just hold them until the recovery mode menu appears. There we go. We are now in recovery mode, and next thing we're going to do is navigate down to wipe data / factory reset. So this setting, and they're going to, oh, by the way, you need to navigate this menu using the power buttons, or the volume buttons and the power button. So volume up is to go up in the menu, and volume down is to go down in the menu, and the power button is to select. So we're going to navigate to wipe data / factory reset and click the power button to select that, and then we're going to hit factory data reset again, and it's going to start to reset your phone fully. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.